For decades, Thailand has been known as a place for its neon lights, wild parties, and go-go bars. And the coastal beach town of Pattaya, just 2 hours south of Bangkok, is the center of it all. This place is crazy. There's so many bars, so many clubs, so many neon lights, you don't even know where to look.
The last time someone counted, they said there was 800 bars, 47 go-go bars.
While this is true for one aspect of the city, such as walking street,
The place that put Pattaya on its map.
the half-mile stretch that's filled with bright lights, loud music, nightclubs, street performers, and ping pong shows, the city is quickly shedding its bad reputation as a seedy destination for old single men. Pattaya now appeals to a much wider audience for couples, families, tour groups, and even business travelers.
World-class shopping has arrived in Pattaya. Behind me is Terminal 21, a 6-story mega building that cost 7 billion baht.
Dan first came to Pattaya in 2006 for a vacation and never left. Since then, he's built the largest foreign media group in Thailand, raised a family right here in Pattaya, and is very well connected.
You will not believe you're in Pattaya today, and that's what I'm going to show you.
We began our day at the Sanctuary of Truth.
Sanctuary of Truth is one of the top attractions at Pattaya. It's 105 metres tall, and it's a wooden construction that we think will never stop being built.
It's giant, it's open, it's airy, and these carvings of Buddha are just simply outstanding.
Next, we headed to the beach, one of the main reasons people visit this city.
Definitely something that you cannot find in Bangkok.
To continue our journey, Dan took me to a place that truly blew my mind.
Dan hasn't been here in 2 years and he has no idea, he doesn't recognize anything. It looks totally different, totally transformed, and apparently it's very nice.
What do you think that is, a hotel? Welcome to the #1 tourist attraction in Pattaya, Nong Nooch Botanical Gardens. It's officially the 3rd best gardens in the world and set over a whopping 500 acres.
So when Dan said garden, I thought he was taking me to a botanical garden, but I didn't realize that he's taking me to a full-on amusement park that feels like you're going to Disneyland without the roller coasters.
And finally, to top off a great day, we visited the big Buddha carving in the mountain. This is seriously a stunning sight that I had no idea existed in Pattaya.
Wow, Dan, I've really enjoyed the last 24 hours in Pattaya and my perspectives have really changed.
And Drew, we've only just scraped the surface for great things to do.
Guess I gotta come back. Thank you very much.
See ya.
Cheers. I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.